Hello and welcome back into my computer, and today we're going to be having a look at the platform Flipgrid in order to give a platform for your students to engage in the design thinking element testing. The reason why this is so great as a platform for the testing element of your students' projects is that other students or other members of your department and so on, perhaps the wider community, is able to have a look at your students' project and give them authentic feedback. It also provides them, with your students, a place which is all-inclusive and equitable so that they can present their project in a way that they want to. Which is what we're going to be exploring today. Now, I won't go into the actual projects because I don't want to embarrass any of our lovely Year 7s, and I do need to say now that this was actually all completely made by our STEAM coordinator, Miss Laura Henderson. So if you would like more information about how Laura made this particular STEAM day, then please contact her using either her Twitter handle that I put at the front of this presentation, or you can email her. Okay, so let's have a look, and I won't be clicking into any of the student videos, okay, but I just would like you to have a look at this bit here. Okay, the reason why this was so successful with our students and why we keep using it is that you can give clear instructions. It's something that you can put rubrics on, and it's something that they can use with the comment feature. So you can see just at the bottom of my screen there is the person's name, their video that you can click on, but then there is a feature that you can comment on, so you can comment directly on the rubric that Miss Henderson has given them, and you can give them feedback. Okay, so the comments are from other students and the feedback is from teachers only. Okay, it's also really nice because they can see how many other students have liked, or how many video watches they've got, and also you can make the videos moderated. So let's just go back, okay, and we're just going to make another topic in here just so you can see how easy it is to make a topic. I'm just going to put example. Okay, so you can put all of your instructions in the prompt. You can then add videos or a GIF, just to kind of punctuate and emphasize your point so that it engages students further. And you can make the topic moderated or not moderated. Okay, and that's pretty much it. It's really, really easy to use. So I hope you find that you can use it to engage in authentic student product and engage in authentic feedback, and then your students will be able to develop their products by using Flipgrid. But the only other thing I want to say is also Flipgrid is available for Google educators and Apple educators. Yes, it is something that Microsoft, you can have a Microsoft login for it, but it's not essential. So using school logins to go onto it is perfect.